All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that's absolutely crucial for anyone who owns a home, but it's so easy to forget about: the health of your chimney. What we're going to cover is essential, not just for keeping your home safe, but for protecting its long-term value too. So let me ask you this. Think about your fireplace. It's probably the heart of your home, right? A place for warmth, for comfort. But what if that cozy spot was hiding a pretty serious risk? That's what we're here to do: uncover the hidden story of your chimney. So where does all the trouble even start? Well, for a lot of us, especially if you live somewhere with wild weather swings, the main culprits are pretty simple. It's just the elements and the steady march of time. You see, your chimney is under this constant silent attack. It's not one big thing, it's a relentless cycle. Heavy rain and snow soak into the bricks. Then comes the real killer, the freeze-thaw cycle. All that trapped water freezes, it expands, and it literally forces the mortar and bricks apart from the inside. It's this slow, sneaky process of deterioration. And this is exactly why you need to pay attention. What starts as a tiny crack you can barely see, well, that can blow up into thousands of dollars in water damage, life-threatening carbon monoxide leaks, or even a devastating chimney fire. The big takeaway here? Being vigilant is everything.
So, how do you play detective with your own home? Let's get into decoding the damage. We're going to arm you with the knowledge to spot those critical clues that your chimney is basically screaming for help.
First up, a term you'll hear a lot: tuck pointing. If you look up at your chimney and see crumbling or missing mortar between the bricks, that's a huge red flag. And this isn't just about looks. It's like leaving your front door wide open for moisture to come in and just wreck the place. Tuck pointing is the fix. It's all about sealing it back up tight. Next, I want you to look right where your chimney meets the roof. See that metal strip? That's the flashing. Its one and only job is to keep water out. So if it's looking rusted or it's peeling away from the chimney, you've probably just found the culprit for that mystery leak in your attic. It's one of the most common failure points, for sure. Now let's look all the way up to the very top. That concrete slab you see is the chimney crown. Think of it as your chimney's little umbrella. Even tiny cracks here act like funnels, just guiding water right into the core of the masonry and causing all kinds of damage from the top down. And finally, let's talk about the part you can't see: the chimney liner. This thing is absolutely critical. It's an internal sleeve that contains all that intense heat and those corrosive gases, protecting your walls from catching fire, and maybe most importantly, stopping toxic fumes like carbon monoxide from leaking into your home. A cracked liner is a seriously dangerous problem. Okay, so maybe you've spotted a few of these clues. What's the next step? This is where you bring in the pros. Getting a real diagnosis, that takes an expert eye to figure out just how bad the damage really is. A certified technician isn't just going to give your chimney a quick once-over. Nope, they follow a very specific process. They do a deep dive assessment of the whole structure, they evaluate every single part we just talked about, and they make sure everything is up to local safety and building codes. So what's on their checklist? Well, they're getting up close with the brick and mortar, they're checking the seal on the flashing, hunting for cracks in the crown, and inspecting that flue liner for any damage. They're basically looking for any and all telltale signs of moisture. It's a full-on investigation. So how often should you be doing this? Here's the key number to remember: 1. Just 1. Experts recommend you get a professional inspection once a year. And the best time to do it? Right before winter, just before you start really using that fireplace. All right, the inspection is done, the problems have been found. Now it's time to talk about the solution. Let's break down what actually goes into a professional repair and how it secures your home for the long haul. Let's talk numbers, because I know that's what you're thinking about. And yeah, these repairs have a price tag. But you've got to frame this as an investment in your home's safety. Spending a few $100 on flashing repair now can literally save you tens of thousands on major structural work later on.
Now, you might be tempted to just grab some sealant and patch a crack yourself, but that can be a really bad idea. See, DIY fixes are often just a Band-Aid. They might hide the problem or, even worse, not meet safety codes. A professional repair, though, that's engineered for lasting protection. It's done right, it's safe, and it's guaranteed to be up to code.
You know, the best repair is the one you never have to make in the first place. So let's wrap this up by focusing on your most powerful tool: just being proactive. Think of this checklist as your roadmap to a healthy chimney. Get those annual inspections on your calendar, make sure your chimney cap is on tight, and please, if you see a small crack, get it fixed right away. That's how you stop those destructive freeze-thaw cycles before they can turn a tiny issue into a huge, expensive nightmare. You know, there's a quote from our source material that really fits perfectly here. It's a great little reminder that keeping a home safe and sound isn't something you do once. It's a continuous process. In a way, your home's well-being is always under construction.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? Stop thinking of your chimney as just a pile of bricks. Start seeing it for what it really is, a core part of your home's safety system. Being aware, knowing the signs, and trusting the pros, those are your absolute best tools to protect your home and your family. The only question left is, what are you going to go look for first?